as we welcome the lovely debutant. Bigyan natin ng isang masigabang palakpakan ang pinakamaganda ngayong gabi at kahit kailan, our lovely debutant, no other than Francesca V. Howe! Once again, isang masigabang palakpakan as we welcome our lovely debutant. And of course, together with the expert, the handsome brother of our lovely debutant, Sir Francis Cao V. Howe. What a beautiful and mesmerizing lady in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, isang masigabong palakpakan naman siya.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than one minute. Oh, I never thought through what we'd be, making one as lovely as she.
Bigyan mo natin ang masigabong palakpakan.
Mother.
Ang ating grandmother of the time, welcome, Heroima Pastorino with Auntie Nelia Memote.
Wala kasi sila.
Bigyan din natin ang masigabong palakpakan as we welcome Mary Pastorino. Ladies and gents, let me welcome you, Emma Pastorino. And now let's welcome Alma Pastorino. Alright, so as part of the eating candles, you are going to make a wish to the lovely event. Okay, one by one po. Start with human. Okay, so once you're done, pass the microphone to the next to you. Okay? Your birthday wish to the lovely event. Wow, thank you so much. Okay, give me now, let's blow the candle, okay? Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Huwag mo naman masyadong nilapit mo. Alright, next one.
Wish ko sa then always stay healthy, tagang sarili mo, saka very successful life. Thank you.
Alright, next one.
Okay.
Alright.
Walang boses si Tita Emma, nag-concert siya. Pakialis yung mic, kuya. Hindi na rin. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Cheska. So I just wish you good health and happiness and to achieve everything you want in life.
Thank you.
Hi, Cheska. Happy birthday. I just wish all your dreams to come true.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, din. So, Riley. Pick ka naman ko. Bulat diba sa Stefano, nakarami lang na cheese eh. Ayun, ganun. Hello?
Anushka, as you enter the new journey of your womanhood, your path will not be easy as you were a child. You are now responsible for all actions, decisions, making and exploring things. You might beyond your dreams for you and that is your success in life. Make your loved ones so proud. Happy birthday, gorgeous, and a blessed life ahead of you. Happy birthday.
Baby, baka mahulog ka. Thank you.
Sana dyan
forget you. Happy birthday. I wish all your dreams will come true and good health and happiness. And hi, Dennis. Alam mo, proud na proud kami sa'yo. Sa school mo, ang galing-galing mo, representative ka ng school mo sa mga dance competitions. I know, yung daddy mo, nandito siya, masaya siya. Ganda-ganda mo, baby ka pa lang dati, may baby pa lang. Ngayon, dalaga ka na, responsible na, nakalagaan ang sarili mo. Lagi mong gagawin yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. At tulad ng kasi mo, sa mga natin, hindi natin kailangan ng kayamanan, hindi natin magdadala yan. Kailangan natin lagay tayo ng maraming friends. Dahil pag wala na tayo, mga friends natin mahalala pa rin tayo sa kaya. Katulad ng pagkatalo lang sa daddy mo. Kaya, make your life a happy life. Don't mind the material things. Just be happy and protected always. I love you.
Thank you, tita. Mara! Thank you, mother. Thank you, mother. I love you. Yay!
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin once again our 18 candles.
Thank you, guys.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. And Mayor Bitsy Santos, followed by Elisa Bernardo.
Isa-isa lang.
Sunod-sunod na po tayo na Ma'am Katrina Reyes,
Ano na eh?
Ma'am Annie Carl Ruales, please join us for sa ito po sa mga pagkain sa lahat. For the tuna. But first, go guys. Yes, sir.
Hindi, give na lang kasi pa live mga...
Happy 18th birthday, Chester. May your journey of our home be filled of happiness. And I wish that God grant all the desires of your heart. Pero ang pamili ko ngayon for you, dahil ito na sa salamat.
Yay!
So yun, I hope you pursue your dreams and all of this fun. And ito yung gift ko sa'yo, syempre kasi
Thank you!
Dito sa'yo, alam ko kung bisa na sa inyo. Kaya ang gusto sa'yo, saan mo pwede pang
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Jen.
Happy birthday! Yay! Ito si Kuya Idri. Thank you, Kuya Idri! So sweet! Ano ba?
Thank you so much.
Yay!
Yay, thank you so much. Pinulong natin. Picture kayo, ma'am. Hindi na.
Yay!
Alright, thank you so much.
sa'yo, kailangan mo sa today. Ano sa school, ano yung naman happy birthday.
Thank you!
Happy birthday na. Ang gift ko sa'yo, kagaya nila or makeup something.
Refrigerator.
Sana ako pag kulit pa yung mga sana maging successful ka na. Love you.
Siyempre, hanggang wala pa po yung next na sasayaw. Alright.
Yeah!
ensure to all the participants na huwag mo nang iwan ang ating damitin sa unahan habang hindi pa po dumarating ang sunod na sasabahan.
Yeah!
Picture 1, 2, 3. Alright, take the camera. 1, 2.
Brian, matakat pa sa'yo si Nena. Ang cute nyo.
Picture 1, 2, 3.
Si Kyle pala. Ano nga? Pogi naman. Ang pogi. Kaya siya.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Brother!
Big round of applause, please.
Ang cute! Si Mr. How. Cute naman. Ang daddy mo! Ang cute naman. Sino ka mo niya? Uy, sasayaw
Alright, get ready to the camera. 1, 2. 1, 2. Closer, no, closer.
Yeah!
Wala pa kayo mga question.
Thank you, Mia! Love you! Ayan!
Nice. Once again, a round of applause, please, for the cousins of Alita.
Yes! Kita na kayo! Hey! 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 Yes!
Nice.
Hey! Hey! Ini na, dance! Okay na guys!
Nice.
Yeah! Wow! Yeah! Jun, ako. Jun.
Nice. Nice.
Alright, once again, para number one, napakagandang Debbie Band for her intermission number.
Thank you.
Get ready, table number 2. You're the next one po. Smile! Sige, table number 4. Get ready po next po. Smile! Walking, 1, 2, 3. Okay, closer. Ready, 1, 2. Okay, get ready.
So pretty naman ang baby. Very nice.
Ang pictorial ng aking picture. Assistant din ang aking kapatid. Ganito ka ng Pilipino mo.
Ang kalita na. O, diba? Si Carla Malo. So beautiful. Hindi. May work.
Kung you guys, nakatulala sa'yo. Sabi.
Sige na. Kiss na ikaw. Kami natin ang pala mo.
Oo, tingnan, tanggalin mo muna kasi zero.
Sir Kyle nga, bagal eh.
Parang kumontent ng bagong
Naagnas nga.